In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another thought-provoking and faith-boosting video on the Mystical Islam channel. We are grateful for your time and attention, and we hope this story will inspire and strengthen your belief in the mercy and justice of Allah. Today's video is not just a story, it is a lesson in unwavering faith and Allah's miraculous ways of supporting His servants in their most challenging moments. Dear friends, before we begin, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, Mystical Islam, if you haven't already done so. Your support motivates us to continue bringing you such inspiring Islamic content. Don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications about our latest uploads. Like, share, and express your thoughts in the comments section, as your feedback is invaluable to us. Let's start with today's story, an extraordinary event that will leave you reflecting on the power of faith and the unseen help of Allah. This incident took place in a small village in India, home to a devout young Muslim man aged 25. Despite his youth, he was deeply connected to his faith, spending most of his time in the mosque, praying, reciting the Quran, and engaging in acts of worship. His commitment to Islam was an inspiration to all in his village. His life revolved around prayer, and he never missed any of the 5 daily prayers, always offering them in the mosque. The villagers admired him, not just for his piety, but also for his honesty, humility, and kind-heartedness. He spoke with sincerity and treated everyone with respect. However, there was one person who harbored jealousy and greed toward him: his younger brother. After their father's passing, the younger brother, driven by materialistic desires, became fixated on the family's inherited land. The land was legally divided between the 2 brothers, but the younger one was dissatisfied with his share. He wanted the entire property for himself and was determined to acquire it by any means necessary. Time and again, he tried to manipulate his elder brother into giving up his land, but every scheme failed. Frustrated, he devised a sinister plan to break his elder brother emotionally. Knowing how much the elder brother loved the mosque and valued his daily prayers, the younger brother decided to target that aspect of his life. One morning, as the elder brother walked toward the mosque for Fajr prayer, he sensed an unusual tension in the air. However, his focus remained on reaching the mosque on time. Upon his arrival, he was confronted by police officers who accused him of stealing valuable items from the mosque. The accusation shocked him to his core. He tried to explain his innocence, but the police were adamant. They barred him from entering the mosque, which deeply distressed him. Seeing the crowd that had gathered, he felt humiliated, but remained calm, turning to Allah for help. The villagers who knew him vouched for his character, telling the police that he was a man of integrity and devotion. Yet the police insisted on their accusations, saying, since he spends most of his time in the mosque, he must have had the opportunity to steal the items. Feeling utterly helpless, the elder brother sat on the ground, raised his hands, and prayed to Allah, saying, "O Allah, you are my protector and my witness. Only you can clear my name and reveal the truth." At that moment, his younger brother appeared and revealed the true extent of his treachery. With a smirk, he said, "If you give me your share of the land, I will ensure these charges disappear. Otherwise, I will see to it that you are punished for a crime you did not commit. But Allah's plans are far greater than the schemes of man." Out of nowhere, a monkey appeared, carrying the very items that had been reported stolen. The sight left everyone, including the younger brother, in utter shock. The monkey dropped the items in front of the elder brother, as if presenting proof of his innocence. The younger brother, realizing his plan had been exposed, turned pale. Overcome with fear, he ran back home to check the hiding spot where he had stashed the stolen items, only to find it empty. Trembling, he understood that this was divine intervention and the work of a power far greater than his own. The police, witnessing the miraculous event, immediately arrested the younger brother. During the investigation, he confessed to stealing the items and falsely accusing his elder brother. The court sentenced him to 25 years in prison for his crimes, including theft, deception, and attempting to frame an innocent man. The elder brother, overwhelmed with gratitude, fell into prostration and thanked Allah. Through this event, he realized even more deeply that Allah never abandons those who remain steadfast in their faith. He later said, "Allah is the best of planners. When you place your trust in Him, He sends His help through means you could never imagine. Even the smallest of His creations can become a source of mercy and justice." This story is a powerful reminder for all of us. No matter how difficult or unjust our circumstances may seem, we should never lose hope in Allah's mercy and justice. His help may come in the most unexpected forms, but it always comes at the perfect time. Let us conclude this video with a heartfelt dua. O Allah, the most merciful, the all-powerful, we turn to you with humility and hope. Protect us from the plots of the unjust and guide us through our trials with unwavering faith. Strengthen our hearts, increase our patience, and make us among those who place their trust in you. O Allah, help us in times of need and make us a means of justice and kindness for others. Forgive our sins, accept our prayers, and grant us your mercy in this world and the hereafter. Ameen. We hope this story has strengthened your faith and inspired you to rely on Allah in all circumstances. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Your engagement helps us create more content that inspires and uplifts. Until next time, may Allah's blessings be with you. Allah Hafiz.